Come on. I'm going to sit. He'll come out that way.
Hey.
Hey, baby. Hi. Thor, you going to go through? This is Blizzard. He'll be a year old, November 23rd. He was one of 10 mini and toy Aussies we took from a family in Green Cove Springs. They surrendered them because they had too many dogs. And he's deaf, but he doesn't let that stop him. He's just as friendly as he can be, and he loves dogs and he loves people. As you can see, he's very social. And he loves the dog park.
He's beautiful.
And he's gorgeous.
And he's so soft.
Yes, and
Where'd he go?
He has got
There he
the
is.
sweetest, most gentle personality. And he's good with cats, dogs, rides well in the car. He is just one terrific little boy. And we're doing obedience with him now so that he'll learn some sign language so we can communicate with him. And he'll be good to go.
Oh, Blizzard.
Blizzard.
Aww.
Or DQ.
DQ, all right.
And he's a cuddler.
Oh, even better. He's a dog park dog.
Oh, yes. He took to it from the first day.
What a sweetie.